We've been talking about the kind of revival that the residential real estate market has seen. Most of the data points that we were tracking, especially registration data, that most of the agencies have put out clearly indicate the kind of activity that the residential market is seeing. This is across the country, and especially when you're talking about markets that are dominated by end demand coming in from IT and ITES employees, clearly the demand trends there are much stronger. Keeping in line with that, companies that have gone ahead and shown their pre-sales numbers to the exchanges, the quarterly Q2 updates as far as sales trends are concerned, very strong numbers, record numbers in most cases. So it remains to be seen whether this is just a rebound in terms of specific companies, but clearly there has been a revival across the entire industry when you're talking about residential markets. So having a look at first Sobha, the company has gone ahead and given an update. The total sales volume of close to, when you're talking about this particular quarter, 13.4 lakh square feet, 13.5 lakh square feet, which is up almost 50% on a year-on-year basis. The total sales value of over 1,000 crore, which is again a jump up of over 50% on a year-on-year basis. Average realization marginally down 1.3%, close to 7,637 rupees per square feet. The company has achieved the best ever quarterly sales volumes, and the company says that the numbers mainly driven by the Bengaluru market, Gurugram market, Pune, as well as GIFT City. Now, when you're talking about Kerala region, the company says has shown improved sales performance as compared to Q1. Company also says that the average cost of borrowing has further come down during this particular quarter. When you're talking about Macrotech Developers, the company has achieved a record quarterly pre-sales of 3,450 crore. Pre-sales very strong at 2,003 crore for the quarter. Pre-sales has jumped up almost 88% on a year-on-year basis and has more than doubled on a sequential basis. The company says they are in line and they are on track to go ahead and reduce net debt significantly in this particular year. Close to 10,000 crore mark is what they are looking to achieve. Confident of achieving pre-sales guidance of close to 9,000 crore for this particular fiscal. Collections in July and August, according to the company, were muted on account of the slow sales in Q1 during the second wave of COVID, is what the company is saying. The company had a total pre-sales of close to 3,450 crore, and pre-sales for this particular quarter in India was over 2,000 crore. This also includes, when you're talking about UK market, close to 1,450 crore as far as pre-sales is concerned for the UK market. India operations doing well, UK operations doing well, Macrotech Developers reducing debt, confident of achieving guidance. Very strong update from both Sobha and Macrotech Developers. Interesting to see how these stocks behave in the coming few weeks.